In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join the King Legacy experience if you are playing Roblox on any mobile device. So the process is going to be the same for Android or iOS. All that you have to do is update Roblox to the latest version and then use the search function here on the home screen. So tap the little magnifying glass or search icon at the top of the screen and then look for King Legacy. Because it is a very popular experience, as soon as you type King, it should suggest King Legacy, and it is the first one with this big image here. You will see the logo, and you will be able to confirm that it is the official one because you will see the name of the developers, Venture Lagoons, and then once you tap on it, you can see that it has more than 3 billion visits. So all that you have to do now is go ahead and tap the green button to join. So as soon as you join, you will be able to play King Legacy on mobile. All of the buttons will be available, so you can walk by tapping on the left side of the screen. You can enable or disable shift lock by tapping on this little lock icon. You can choose between your equipment here, so you can go into combat, open your inventory, and you will be able to dash, change the view, and sprint with these buttons over here at the right side of the screen. It is incredibly simple to play, and as soon as you join, you will get instructions on what you have to do. For this video, I'm not going to go too much in depth on how this experience works and what your objective is, but on the first island, you will be able to talk to the NPCs, so you familiarize yourself with the mechanics, and you will be able to go into combat. So, it is an incredibly well-made experience, and you will be able to level up, get money, get experience, purchase a boat, get all of the fruits, explore other islands, and there is a lot to do. So all that you have to do is join it and you will be able to play right away. So join King Legacy on any Android or iOS device. The process is the same if you are playing on PC or even console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.